Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites: a reachable VPS with SSH, and your phone has Termux or a dedicated SSH app. Once done, copy your private key to the phone securely or note the password. Open the app and test a quick connection using SSH user at VPS IP to confirm access. This reveals network reachability. Make sure port 22 is not blocked by a firewall. If it is, adjust security group or UFA rules now so the next steps run without interruption. You now transfer and secure keys. Use SCP from another trusted machine or a QR/AirGap method to avoid exposing secrets. Once the private key is on your phone, set permissions with chmod 600 so SSH will accept it. Next, configure your SSH client to use the key or enable the SSH agent in Termux. This speeds login and avoids password prompts. If you need a non-standard port, specify it now with P. Otherwise, proceed to connect and verify a shell prompt appears. You finish by setting up any tunnels or proxies you need. For browser traffic, use SSH-D 1080 to create a SOCKS proxy, or run SSHR to expose a phone service through the VPS if behind NAT. Once tunnels run, test the specific service. SFTP client, browser via proxy, or RDP, so you confirm functionality. If something fails, check firewall rules, port forwarding, and key permissions first. A common fix is adjusting UFWA/iptables or reapplying chmod 600 to the private key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.